You can book any cruise you want, anytime you want, and use 100% of your cruise dollars to do so. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The InCruises lucrative compensation program offers 5 additional ways to earn money. There's daily instant bonuses of $50 to $150 that we pay you within 24 hours for referring new partner members. Those that join InCruises as both a partner and a member. You can also earn weekly matching bonuses that equal the total amount of instant bonuses earned by your referred partners. We also have a way for you to earn residual compensation for all your personally referred members and all the members referred by your entire partner team, up to 20 levels. This allows you to earn a consistent residual income that can grow into the hundreds and even thousands of dollars each and every month, like clockwork. Although residual compensation pays up to 20 levels, you can get paid for infinite levels with our team leadership bonuses based on attaining one of our 7 rank achievement levels. Your rank achievement level is based on your total team production. Bonuses range from $300 per month to as much as $55,000 per month. And remember that all these team leadership bonuses are on top of, so in addition to, your daily instant pay bonuses, weekly matching bonuses, and residual compensation. For our ultimate leaders, those that want to build a legacy and want to change their family tree for generations to come, we have created a worldwide market bonus. This bonus is funded with 5% of the total company's membership sales volume from the previous month. We divide this bonus equally with all qualifying leaders. This is a rare opportunity to earn a bonus on the sales volume of the entire company, not just your own team. And if that wasn't enough, we also have some powerful incentives, like the ability to become membership free and still accumulate 200 monthly cruise dollars when you simply refer just 5 members. And for every 5 new members you refer during a month, you'll earn producer bonuses of 250 cruise dollars to get you cruising faster and more often. For our top producing partners, there's even free incentive dream cruises and monthly incentives to earn these amazing journeys.